Hi there folks, Colin here from Robert Smail's Printing Works in the Scottish Borders, in the care of the National Trust for Scotland. And today we're going to be looking at the terms uppercase and lowercase. So in letterpress printing, individual letters were kept in these cases here, and these are what we call type cases. So our capital letters stay in these boxes up the top here. Now, your capital letters, as you'll see, are in alphabetical order, apart from the J and the U, that is. And that's because when Gutenberg invented this system, J and U were not part of the English alphabet. So instead of them having to learn a new case layout, once they were added, they just added them to the end of the alphabet. Now, your lower letters are slightly different. They are not in alphabetical order. They are laid out by frequency of use. So, the most commonly used letter in the English language is the letter E. So that gets the biggest box roughly in the centre of the case. Below that we have the H and then the T. And that is because the is the most commonly used word in the English language. And next to them we have these little spaces here. That is a word space. So that's equivalent to the space bar on your computer. All the other letters are laid out, as I said, by frequency of use. So X, Y, Z, again, the J and the U are all around the edges of the box. So in summary, your capital letters sit in the uppercase and your lower letters sit in the lowercase. So, we'll link this up. Pull a print and see what we've got. So, roll it under. Give it a press. And there we go. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.